Welcome back to Visionary Designs. Today, we're diving into the world of modern and sleek kitchens, where function meets aesthetic beauty, and every detail is meticulously crafted for style and ease. Picture a kitchen that's clean, open, and sophisticated, with every appliance, surface, and accessory designed to fit seamlessly into a modern lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore how a minimalist approach can redefine one of the most functional spaces in your home, creating a place where you love to cook, gather, and just relax. In a modern, sleek kitchen, less is truly more. Imagine clean lines and uncluttered surfaces, with a palette dominated by shades like crisp white, cool gray, and soft black, maybe with subtle pops of color or natural materials like wood and stone. Cabinetry is often handle-free or features sleek hardware that doesn't interrupt the flow of the space. Each cabinet and drawer is planned with intention, designed to be as practical as it is stylish, allowing you to hide away appliances and tools so the space feels streamlined and spacious. Lighting plays a key role in these kitchens. Think about subtle recessed lighting that brings a warm, even glow to the space, along with elegant pendant lights hanging over a kitchen island or bar. These lights aren't just functional, they're sculptural elements that add to the aesthetic, casting light and shadow that enhance the room's design. Natural light is also key, often pouring in through large windows or skylights, enhancing the room's airy, open feel. Now, let's talk materials. In a sleek, modern kitchen, you might find polished stone countertops that blend durability with beauty, often in quartz, granite, or marble. These surfaces add a touch of luxury while staying practical for everyday use. Cabinets might be a high-gloss finish, giving the space a reflective, polished look that amplifies light and depth. In contrast, wooden or matte elements are sometimes used to soften the feel, bringing in warmth and a hint of nature's beauty. Together, these textures make the space feel grounded, yet incredibly refined. Appliances in a modern kitchen are often integrated, blending seamlessly with the cabinetry to maintain a minimalist aesthetic. Picture a fridge that disappears behind a custom panel, or a cooktop that's perfectly flush with the counter. Even the range hood is often built to be as unobtrusive as possible, blending in while still adding to the kitchen's functionality. This design approach is about creating a space where every element has a purpose and works together to support both style and function. The layout of a sleek kitchen is also carefully designed to support easy movement and functionality. Whether it's an L shape, a U shape, or an open-plan layout with an island, the space is designed to be as efficient as it is beautiful. Each section of the kitchen has a purpose. There's a zone for cooking, another for prep, and perhaps a cozy corner for seating. With open shelving or glass front cabinets, you might see a few select dishes or glassware on display, adding a personal touch without detracting from the sleek vibe. In a modern kitchen, decor is kept to a minimum, but is always impactful. A few select items, a vase with fresh greenery, a bowl with seasonal fruits, or perhaps a piece of art, can add warmth without overwhelming the space. These details bring life and character to the kitchen, creating a sense of comfort and style. If you're drawn to spaces that feel open, refined, and meticulously planned, a modern, sleek kitchen may be the perfect fit. The blend of high functionality with sophisticated design makes this style both timeless and on-trend. Which element of modern kitchens resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Visionary Designs for more home inspiration.